Method CRM tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Method CRM. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Method, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you will also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Method platform, this is a customer relationship management or CRM software designed for small and growing businesses that use QuickBooks and online on desktop, in which its native integration with QuickBooks allows users to automatically update customer information, estimates, invoices, and payments between two apps, eliminating the need for double entry of data. And aside from that, this platform offers a comprehensive solution that empowers businesses to manage their operations efficiently while providing excellent customer service. And now to start signing up on this platform, just proceed by clicking Try for Free button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, to create an account on Method, you could also sign up with your Intuit, with your Xero account, and also with your Google account. And now in those options, I'm going to sign up using my Google account, in which upon clicking on it or after signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this page. Then from here, just enter your organization name, then click Start Free Trial button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which on this pop-up window, it will ask you which accounting software do you use. So I'm going to select Xero for this one. So kindly click Xero below here, then proceed by clicking Next Step button below. And after that, the next thing that we need to do from here is to select what kind of industry are you in. So for instance, I'm going to enter here accounting and bookkeeping. And below it will ask you who do you do business with. And after selecting your answer and also your primary role, you can proceed by clicking Next Step button. And after that from here, it will ask you what kind of feature are you looking for on this platform. We have here contact management, cases, email campaigns, work orders, and many more. Then proceed by clicking Next Step button. And from here, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply select the specific time that you prefer. After selecting your booking time, you can now proceed by clicking the next button below here. And after that from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply connect our Xero account in here. By clicking Disconnect to Xero, you will be able to enter your email address and also your password of your Xero account. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to be connected of your Xero account to your Method CRM account. And after that from here, it will ask you that you could also invite your teammates in here by simply entering their email address and also their name in here. And aside from that, you can even make them as admin. And now by clicking Done button below, you'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard, in which it serves as the main landing page for users, providing a comprehensive overview of key business metrics and activities. And as you can see it here, it is divided into several sections, each offering unique insights and functionality. Below here, it will show you the self-guided missions we have here to create invoice and payment collection that you could also set up on this platform. And aside from that, we could also navigate here the app section, and also by clicking on it, it will be able to show us some other options, such as to create contacts, activities, opportunities, web to lead, invoices, estimates, payments, and email campaigns, which is also same option that we can find on the left side panel in here. So basically, dashboard in Method CRM serves a centralized hub for accessing key information, managing activities, and making data-driven decisions to drive business growth. Now moving on the left side panel, by clicking this contacts option, this option allows users to create and maintain detailed profiles for each individual and organization they interact with. And this includes storing essential details such as name, address, phone number, email, and any other custom fields the user deems necessary. So basically from here, it will show you the list of your contacts, user, and also companies in here, in which the ability to add custom fields enables businesses to capture unique data points relevant to their specific operations. And to add new contacts, you can simply click New Contact button on the top right corner. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including first name, email, last name, phone number, company name, name in Xero, website, tags, lead statuses, lead rating, lead source, and many more. Then just proceed by clicking the Save button to proceed. So for instance, we're going to add here a new contact. So let's say I'm going to enter here first name John and last name B. And by clicking the Save button, we'll be able to be directed on this page, And from here, it will show us other contact details that we just enter or input per specific contact. You'll also be able to see here all of the activities open, activities closed, opportunities, estimate, invoices, and many more. And aside from manually entering or inputting the contact details of a specific contact, we could also import a contact by clicking this import button right here, in which upon clicking on it, we could simply import a lead, opportunities, customer or vendor activities, and many more. So that is just basically the other way of importing or adding a contact. Moving on to activities, from here it will show you all of the list of activities, and also this feature allows users to log and track various types of activities including phone calls, emails, meetings, follow-ups, and custom activity types. And by clicking this create an activity button right here, we'll be able to start creating or adding an activity in here by simply filling out all of the required information such as the contact, phone number, email, tags, and also the comments below here. Then below you could also choose to assign to a specific contact, type, status, choose the start date, end date, related opportunity, and even attach a specific file in here. And aside from that, you could also create an activity by clicking this plus button on the top right corner, in which it will show you other options such as contact, activity, opportunity, lead form, invoice, invite user, and many more. So that is just basically the shortcut of how you can add an activity in here. Moving on to opportunities, this feature provides a centralized dashboard that gives users a comprehensive overview of their sales pipeline, in which it allows them to view and monitor the various stages of the sales funnel, such as leads, qualified opportunities, proposals, and closed deals. And by clicking this create an opportunity button right here, we'll be able to start creating an opportunity by filling out all of the required information in here, including the contact, company, email, phone number, the name of the opportunity, and other opportunity details, and even the description below here. And now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here, web to lead, invoices, estimates, payments, and also email campaigns. And to start creating an email campaigns, from here just click create a campaign button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see under setup section, from here all you need to do is to simply set up or fill out all of the required information, including campaign name, subject line, your email address, and also your name below here. And after that, just proceed by clicking save and next button below here to proceed. In which the next thing that we need to do under design section from here is to simply design our email campaigns by selecting our existing template, or if you also want to create from scratch, you can simply click the blank option right here. And upon clicking on it, below here, you can simply type on email body anything that you want. And after that, just click save and next button to proceed. The next thing that we need to do under recipients is to simply choose in our contact the person that will serve as a recipient in our email campaigns. And after that, just click add selected button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on review and send, in which from here we will basically review all of the things that we just input earlier before successfully sending the email campaigns that we just create. And aside from that, below you could also add an attachment if you want to in here. Then proceed by clicking send campaign button to proceed. So overall, that is just basically how you can use method CRM. Thank you.